Vice President Mike Pence says testing is being ramped up nationwide. CBS 2's Michael George has the latest from New York, which President Trump has declared a disaster area.
President Trump has approved a disaster declaration for New York State.
This is the first time in our nation's history that a president's used the Stafford Act to declare a major disaster in response to a public health crisis.
The designation opens the way for billions of dollars in emergency federal aid to be sent to one of the states hardest hit by the coronavirus. President Trump said other parts of the country, such as California, may also receive disaster aid. New York, California, Illinois, Connecticut, and Oregon are all taking measures to restrict residents' movements outside their homes. The nation's top infectious disease expert says mitigation efforts are working, but it's hard to say how well.
We know we are clearly having an effect, but we can't quantitate it for you accurately now.
On Capitol Hill, senators are spending the weekend trying to finalize details of a $1 trillion economic stimulation package. The bipartisan bill includes relief for small businesses, loans to impacted industries, and direct cash payments to individuals based on income and family size. Joanne Imwali is a nurse at a hospital near Sacramento. She goes into the rooms of patients who have infectious diseases, such as the coronavirus.
We're coming in and taking care of patients that have something that's infectious that we could actually get and potentially die from.
Healthcare workers are facing a critical shortage of masks. Vice President Pence, who's leading the White House task force, says masks are being prioritized to areas in greatest need. He urged companies and dentists to donate masks to hospitals. Michael George, CBS News, New York.
And Vice President Mike Pence does not have the COVID-19, neither does his wife. The two were tested after a staff member in the vice president's office came down with the illness. Mr. Pence says he never had contact with that staffer, nor did President Trump. While Governor Pritzker criticizes the federal government's response to the pandemic, the president today painted a much rosier picture with his dealings with state leaders.
We've had numerous calls with governors, by the way, but the relationships are pretty amazing. They're loving what we're doing.
I've been deeply concerned, I would say frustrated, and sometimes even angry at the failures of the federal government. That the federal government is like Lucy with the football, and I feel like Charlie Brown.